How to turn on or off level notifications on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off level notifications on your Likee app. First thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, all you need to do is click on those three lines, click on settings, and now click on notifications. Scroll down, you're gonna find level notifications tab there, and here you have your level notifications. Turn on or off those levels notifications if you want. Level up notifications notify when you are about to level up, or invitation notification, or rapid growth notification, wherever you want. Don't forget to subscribe and like.